You can see the slides.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, starting with the number sense today, we'll know about number and number names. Okay, which is the largest one-digit number? Can
The
you tell me?
largest one-digit number is 9.
9. And when we add one more to it, we get 10.
10.
So that
The
becomes
smallest two-digit number.
the smallest two-digit number. Similarly, when we add 1 to the largest two-digit number, that is 99, the number becomes of smallest three-digit number, that is 100.
100.
Moving on to the largest three-digit number, which is
If we add 1, then we will get 1000. The smallest
1000.
four-digit number.
That becomes of the smallest four-digit number. And when there is number names, that is the four. Suppose we have the number 4 nines, 9,999. Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat it again, ma'am?
We have the number names 9,999. Number you can see on the slide. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this 9, that is 9,000. This 9 comes at the place of 1000. The digit at the third place,
What place is 200?
that is at the hundreds place.
And the second digit is to 10 and the
At the tens
first
place,
digit is
and
to 1.
the first digit 9 is at the ones place. Please don't draw the lines. That is the numbers at what place we will be putting off the digits. Next we have place value and face value. What is the place value? Place value is of a digit.
Place value is a value of a number.
See, place value of a digit is its value at the position which it occupies in the number. Like if we say the number 9,000. So what will be the place value of 9,000? 9,000.
Ma'am, the place value will be 9,000 only.
9,000 only, because we will put the value. What value is it having according to its position?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
if we talk about the face value of a digit is the
digit itself.
The number itself.
The digit itself is the place value of it.
Like in 9,000, the face value is 9. It will not be 000.
The face value of 9 is 9 only.
Yes, similarly in number 800, if we see, the place value becomes of 800 along with the double zeros, because this is the value of the number, and the face value is the number itself, that is 8. Similarly in 70, face value 7, and in 6 ones, here is no zero, nothing. Still, the place value is 6 because it is there is no other value of it. It will be 6
Yes,
only.
ma'am.
And face value will also be 6 because it's the number itself. Now, you all know about the abacus.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Abacus, how many balls are there?
In abacus,
That balls have
abacus,
to count
ye-
and we have to write.
yes, abacus is actually, it is a tool. It is an instrument which is used for counting. You have sometimes in your play also, like you have slates coming along with the abacus, with pearls in it, the small round balls in it.
Yeah, ma'am. In my school also there is abacus.
Yes. So it is,
It is used to teach the numbers at which place it is, ma'am. Like which place 5 is, it's on the ones place, like this.
3,245. 3,200 and
45. Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, I can't also hear you.
Yes, ma'am. I also can't hear you.
you can hear me now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, the number on abacus 3245. 5 is at the ones place. Okay. 5 is at
That's why
the,
it's 5 multiplied by 1.
5 is at the ones place. So we are putting off 5 round balls here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 45, 4 is at the tens place. So we will go to the second line and we'll put off 4 orange balls. It's like a bead. Similarly, 2 is at the hundreds place and there are 2 green beads, and in thousand place there are 3 yellow beads. Now, how do we find the place value? We have to put the value of it. In
We have
3,000,
to put as many zeros.
yes, yes.
We can even find
In
it
3,000,
as if
in 3,245, we are writing 3 into how many digits are there after that? 1, 2, 3. Right? Can hear me, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So there are 3 digits after 3. 2, 4, and 5. So as many zeros we will put 3 into 1, 000. Similarly, 245. 2 is at the hundreds place. So first of all, we will write 2 into how many zeros after that? 2. 4 and 5, 000.
2 zeros. Then we will write 4 and how many numbers are left? That many
Zeros we will
write
put.
after 1.
45, 4 into 10. 5, there is no more zero and it is at the ones place. So simply into 1.
So it is multiplied by 1. So 300 multiplied by 1000.
Yes, so we are done with the abacus.
3,200 multiplied by 100 equals
Short and
200.
expanded form now. Short and
Yes, ma'am.
Expanded form.
expanded form. Short is, I will tell you
Short
first, then I will ask you the question also. You have to do the questions. Let me tell the slides first, okay?
Form.
You will say only when you don't understand. I will finish the slides and then I will explain you. Short and expanded form. Short number is 1789, and when we expand it, expand is we write it in a, we will write with along with the values of it, 1789. So 1, after that 3 digits, 000, plus 7, 2 digits are there, 700, plus 8, only 1 digit is there, 80, plus 9 is all alone. So this is the expanded form. Next is comparison of numbers. When we compare, what do we compare? We'll start comparing the digits from the left to right. Which one is bigger? 8769, 8690, 7879, 6678. So
8769.
Yeah, this is the bigger number. Then we have this one. Then it is arranged in ascending or descending order.
Ascending. Descending.
Descending, because
Descending
it is,
order, ma'am.
yes, because it is from the largest to the smallest.
Yeah, ma'am.
See, ascending and descending order came here, right?
Ma'am, can you explain me? Can you explain me that you had explained before, ma'am?
Ascending and descending order. Ascending order is when we will be arranging the numbers from the smallest to the largest, that becomes the ascending order. Descending order is
Ma'am,
when we, yes, tell me.
ma'am, I'm having a, like, always, I'm not able to understand which is descending and which is ascending. Like, I think descending is smallest to the biggest, and I think ascending is biggest to the smallest. So, can you tell me any trick to remember that?
See, trick to remember is the only thing that you are saying the opposite. You know, this in descending you are saying ascending, in ascending you are saying descending. First of all,
Okay.
understand what is ascending. Ascending, ascend. Do you know the meaning of ascend in English? The meaning of ascend is when you climb up. Ascend. Ascending
Oh.
comes from the word ascend, A-S-C-E-N-D. Ascend is when you climb up. Descend is when you go down. So when you go up, do you go from the smaller to the bigger or bigger to the smaller? When you go up,
Smaller to the bigger.
Bigger to the smaller.
you begin with the
Smaller to the
smaller.
bigger.
Yes. So that becomes ascending. You will never forget if you put this in your mind. Now, when we go to the descending, descend. Niche jao, go down. Descend. Okay. So in descend, what happens? You are up on the climb, you come down. From up, you
Oh.
come down. You don't
Oh.
confuse between ding and all this. Just remember the basic word. If you don't understand the question, however you know, you will not be able to solve it. So ascending
Ascend
is
and descend.
ascend, you go up. Descend, you go down. Okay.
Ascend and descend.
So descending is when you come from the largest to the smallest.
Yes, ma'am.
Over here, the number is up or down.
Yeah, ma'am.
What is the number over here? Up.
Up to down.
So this is the largest
So
to the
it is called as descending order.
Descending.
Largest to the smallest is called
largest to the
descending
smallest.
order.
Okay, got it.
It is like climbing the stairs down.
Climbing the stairs down. Okay. Wait, now I will
That we are
bring.
going down.
Yes, yes. Wait. Now I'll explain you with examples.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you know about even numbers and odd numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Even numbers are the numbers that are exactly divisible by 2, and odd numbers are numbers that are not exactly divisible by 2.
2.
One more thing is numbers which ends with which
Even
which
numbers.
which ends with
And-
ends with means what? Ends with means suppose the number is
From the ones place like 2, 3, 6, 8.
see, let me tell you. Number which ends with 0,
Even number
0, 2,
2,
4,
4, 6, 8, 10.
6 or
6, 8.
6. 6 or 8. Okay. Are even numbers. Are even numbers. So when we come to 2362, it is ending with 2. Okay.
2. So it is an even number.
It is an even number. And in odd number, numbers which ends
Numbers which end with
1,
With odd
1,
number.
3, 5, 7, 9.
1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. These are odd numbers. For example, 1, 6, 2, 1. This is odd number.
Odd.
Okay. This is odd. Now. And when we do the comparison, what do we see? We see
The thousand
Numbers.
we see the number of items, like these are thousands or hundreds or tens. Now when we form numbers with and without repetition of digits, the greatest four digit number that can be formed with 2, 0, 1 and 8, which is the greatest four digit number that can be formed with
8210.
8210. And the smallest
If we
four
keep
digit
the
number,
largest number in the front, then it will be a larger number.
Ma'am, it would be 1028.
1028.
The ulta of largest
Opposite
one.
of it will be the smallest four digit number. Opposite. This is the opposite. Okay.
And ma'am, if the 0 is in the front, we have to put it
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
after the biggest number of that.
Yeah, what were you telling me? Can you hear me now?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can't use 0 in the first.
You have to make smallest four digit number. Smallest four digit number. See, you said 1028. Okay. We have the number 2801. The largest number we have to make. So we will make 801. This is the largest four digit number.
8201.
Okay.
The largest number and 1028
No,
is the
ma'am.
smallest.
There should
See.
be 10
Where?
in 8210.
8210. Yes. 8210 is the largest four digit number. Now, when we are asked to make the smallest four digit number, what will it be?
It will be 1028.
1028.
Now, someone asked, like, can't we put 0 in the front? Okay. So, if you are putting 0 in the front, what will you write?
It
0,
will become
0, 1 to 8.
It will be a 3-digit number. 0 is not accepted to be on the ones place.
It doesn't have any
thousand place.
value.
It doesn't have the value. So, are you able to make 4-digit number? You are not able to make 4-digit number, na?
Ma'am, can you speak loud, ma'am?
See, you are not able to make 4-digit number if you put 0 at the thousands place. Someone told
Yeah.
us, like, can we put 0 over here? You can't put 0 over here. You have to write the smallest 4-digit number as 1028 from the number 2801. And when you go to the largest 4-digit number, then it will be according to the number. Like the number is 8. The
Ma'am,
biggest
I can't
number.
hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
No one can hear me.
Ma'am, I can't hear
Ma'am, I can hear you.
Ma'am, even I can hear.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you say now?
Okay, see, the largest 4-digit number, the greatest number amongst all these four is 8. We will put 8 over here. Then comes 2. Then comes 1 here and then 0. 8210. This becomes the largest 4-digit number. It cannot be written any way other. Okay. 8210, 8210. And then when we have to make the smallest 4-digit number, we will write We will write, we can't put 0. We can't put 0
Then
in
we
the
have to
front.
put, ma'am, but then we have to put one more bigger than the 0. Then we have to put 0.
Yes. Then we can put. But if we write one over here, then does it become 4-digit number?
No, 5.
No. It becomes of
No,
5.
ma'am, it will become 5.
It becomes 5-digit
And-
number, and what we want is 4-digit number. That is why we are writing 1028. This becomes the smallest 4-digit number. If we write 0 at the front, 0128, it becomes of 3-digit number, which is not acceptable. We are asking for 4-digit number. So we will
Yes,
write
ma'am.
according to the numbers importance. Over here, 8 is the biggest, then 2, then 1, then 0, largest 4-digit number. Got this point? Got
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
na? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Oh.
ma'am.
Okay. Now we will move to the computation.
Computation?
That this is there in your portion for Olympiad.
It means addition, subtraction of numbers,
Addition,
fractions of
addition and
numbers.
subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. Addition is when you are counting, when you are putting on 2 or more numbers all together. Now, what are all the, like when you are asked the question, suppose you know how to solve it, but if you are not able to do it, if you are not able to understand the question, will you be able to solve it? You will not, right?
No, ma'am.
Yes. For that, you must know what all names can be used for sum. There are many words. Many
Ma'am,
words.
it's addition, subtraction,
No,
division.
no. Many words for
Keyword.
addition. Many words for
Ma'am.
addition.
Ma'am,
Keyword.
altogether, a total.
Many.
Many,
More.
see,
Many,
first,
total
let me tell
together.
you, first will be sum. Okay? Increase. Someone will say
Yeah.
the number increases by increase. All of you got your Olympiad books from the school?
No, ma'am.
No, and there is no time also. You
No,
have
ma'am.
exam in September only. So listen to me carefully. I'll explain you the chapter, and then we will be solving the questions also. And if you have any doubt at your home, you can you can send the questions which you are not able to do in WhatsApp, or I will tell you where to send. Okay. Sum, increase, plus total,
All together.
Altogether.
I'll write.
Together.
Altogether.
More than, all together. These are
Ma'am,
some of the words which can use. See, we are running short of time also. Class will end in 45 minutes, so we have to cover more, right?
Yeah,
We
ma'am.
have to cover more. So, what you don't understand, you have to ask me.
Ma'am, I learned it in 2nd grade, so I know it.
You know, the same things are there. Only few questions will be more. Okay. Now the number addition. Number addition. One number is 4351 plus 1234. What is this called? These two numbers which we are adding?
Addings.
Addends. Spelling, tell me the spelling.
ADDENDS.
Addend. These both are called addend.
Addend.
And what you will get over here? 5,
Sum.
8, 5,
5.
5. This is the sum.
Sum.
This is the sum, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So you know about the
Ma'am,
addition
sum is
because... Yes?
Ma'am, sum is the total that we
You
found
get
the
by
number
adding both the
that
addends.
we got the total in
Now
this
we will know about the properties of addition. What are the properties of addition? What do you understand by properties?
Ma'am,
We should add from the ones place.
See, properties or additions are when we add
something with 2. No, I mean 0 will get the same digit.
I will tell you, when
2
we
plus
add two numbers, what happens? The sum is always greater than the number being added. The sum is always
bigger than the addend.
greater than the addends.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
I just added 5 plus 5 and I got
See,
like
3 plus 2 is equal to 5. The sum is always greater than these two. This is the first property of addition. And second property of addition is if we change. If we change.
The order will get the same answer.
If we change the order, answer is same. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Does it change? It doesn't. And if we add 0.
If we add 0, we'll get the same digit. Like 2 plus 0 is 2.
Excuse me, ma'am.
5 plus 0 equals to 5. Yes. Well.
Ma'am, the second property of addition is called commutative property.
Yeah, all that property is fine, but first of all, you have to do like what are the properties of addition? If you are asked, then you have to write like when we add two numbers, the sum is always greater. You will not stop only here. You will give one example also, okay? Then your answer will be complete.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't leave the examples.
Ma'am, will they give us to complete or they will ask?
See, depends on the question. You must prepare yourself nicely. Don't leave the class so many times unless you have any problem in your system, because every time I'm adding you, okay? Now we have subtraction. Subtraction also you all have done, right?
Subtraction. Now most time I tell like subtraction, ma'am.
It is not subtraction. Whosoever is telling subtraction, who is saying subtraction? If you say subtraction, it will be over here S. Has anybody studied like this? No?
No, it's like subtraction.
It is subtraction. It is not subtraction. Please don't add S. Now, the other words which can come to you for subtraction is difference.
Difference, less. How much?
Difference. Minus.
How much?
How much? Less than it will come. Less than. Then there is
Left.
take away.
Left.
Yes, left.
Leftover.
Left. Spend. Spend. Remove.
Amount.
About also depends on the question. Now, when we subtract, suppose the number is 8265 minus 2142. What we get is 3216.
6.
What are these two called? This is called
Subtrahend.
The first one is called minuend, second one is called subtrahend, and third one is called difference.
This is minuend.
Minuend.
This is subtrahend.
And the answer is difference.
And this is difference. These are the basic things you must know. Then we'll move on to the questions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, na?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
In subtraction, the first one which is written is median. Then it comes
Yes.
subtrahend. Please don't draw the lines on the board. When you are getting subtraction, addition and subtraction together, suppose the number is 6245 plus 2352 minus 1468. How will you do this type?
Ma'am, the first number is always like adding. The first number is adding only,
See,
ma'am.
you will add first. If you
Ma'am, the
add
two
first,
numbers we'll add, and the answer we get, we have to subtract from that only.
then you will subtract and then you will get. See,
7,129.
have you all heard about BODMAS?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
B is
No,
equals
ma'am.
to bracket, O is equals to off,
No, ma'am.
D is equals to division,
Okay,
M
you
is
know
equals to multiplication, A is equals to addition, and S is equals to subtraction.
Okay, so let me tell you for those who do not know. B is bracket. First of all, you will open the bracket. So this is the bracket, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So first we will add these two. Of means multiply. We don't have anything multiply over here. Then D is division, M is multiplication, A is addition, S is subtraction.
So we'll start from addition.
Okay, listen, let me tell you, you know it, right? I'm telling for those who don't know. B is bracket. First of all, we are opening the bracket. For opening the bracket, what we will do? We will first do addition because we don't have multiplication here, division here, and this. O is what is there? Addition. We have addition, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We
Yes,
have
ma'am.
addition. So first we
Yes.
will add these two and then we will do minus. Got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In multiplication, we have, what do we mean by multiplication? What we do? We add,
Ma'am, repeated addition.
Yeah.
Repeated addition.
add equal groups together.
Like 2 plus 2 plus 2.
Yes.
Or else we can just do 2 6
2 into 3. Right. Now it is also called repeated addition. Why repeated addition?
Because we repeat the addition many times.
So instead of repeating it, we will just multiply 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. 2 into 3, 6. Isn't it? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
3 plus 3 plus 3. Or 3 into 3,
9.
9. Now when two or more numbers are multiplied together, two numbers are multiplied together, what is this called? This is called the
Product.
This is called the product.
Product.
And what is these two numbers? The numbers which are multiplied are called factors. See,
Factors.
only 3 minutes is left. Okay. I will keep on teaching. If the class gets shut, don't panic. We'll continue in the next class. Got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Now, what
Okay,
are the properties of multiplication? What are the properties? Same thing. Same thing. 6 into 9 or 9 into 6. Same thing we get. The product of any numbers in any order. Any order, if we put, either we write 6 into 9 or 9 into 6. Order is different, right? Order is different now.
Yes, ma'am.
Still we get the same product. Second property is any number multiplied by 0. 6 into 0. Product is always 0. Got it? Any number multiplied by 0, product is always 0.
Yes, ma'am.
And any number multiplied by 1. 2 into 1, 3 into 1. You know the tables also. 4 into 1.
Ma'am, any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself.
It is the number itself. It is the number itself. Now, when we are getting, we will be multiplying like by 1-digit number, by 2-digit number. Now, when a number is multiplied by 10, if any number is multiplied by 10, what do we do? Suppose the number is 2369 into 10. What do? We will simply write 2369 and without doing anything, we'll just put 1 0 over here. How many? Howsoever 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, any number of 0. We will just put the number of zeros here over here.
How many zeros are next to the number? That many zeros we will put. If there is 1 0.
We will just put that. Now, division. What happens in division? It is equal sharing and
We
equal
have to
grouping.
divide. We have to equal it to everyone, like equal share.
Equal sharing and equal grouping. Okay. It is repeated. What is it? Repeated?
Multiplication.
Subtraction. It's
No.
repeated subtraction.
It is repeated subtraction. Okay.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
repeated subtraction.
Subtraction.
What we do? Suppose there are 6 chocolates and you have to divide it among 12 students. How many chocolates you will give to?
2 to each one.
Yes. Okay. Now, what are the properties of division? See, we are just left with